concluded the Obeko for 2028, no?
Yes, it's concluded. Asiedu Nketia will be the president of Ghana in 2028, but then,
okay.
Now the but is the catalyst that is about to be unleashed in the 2 years of President Mahama's term. Because in the conclusion of the whole matter, there will be a decision where the whole party, a group of the party, will decide that President Mahama has to go for 8 good years. If he doesn't go for 8 years, they will not agree, because the things that is about to do will change the country. So, because of that, what is about to do Metro Mekan and Natural,
okay,
it will change the country. So they will begin to push towards the idea, say President Mahama has to go for 8 years. It will become a campaign, internal party operations. Okay. All the ministers will agree with it. All the appointees, all the party leaders will agree with it. Then there will be an opposition. Now the opposition will come in directly, and it is 2 people that will oppose him.
Okay.
For Asiedu Nketia to become president, he should not oppose him.
Okay.
There is another person that will oppose him. Once that person opposes him, that person is going to sacrifice his stand, and Mahama will call off the 2028 election. Do you understand? He'll call it off and go back. And when he goes back, when that person opposes him, he will give the route to Asiedu Nketia to take over. He will win the flag bearership election, and then he will win the 53% as Asiedu Nketia, General Mosquito.
And for General Mosquito to become president, no, he should be silent when it comes to some debates. Or 8 years.
You should even tell him to go 8 years, because you should just agree and tell him to go to the 8 years. That's it. But somebody will oppose him. There is a way it will happen. It's a catalyst in time. And once it happens, wow, that person sacrifices his head for that. So then at the end of the day, Asiedu Nketia can become the president entirely, and he will go for 8 years.
General Mosquito will go for 8 years.
Yes. And also, one interesting thing in that condition is, you see, if he opposes the president, the president will pick up his own president, his own flag bearer.
Okay.
And he will root for the flag bearer to win Asiedu Nketia in the primaries. And when he defeats Asiedu Nketia in the primaries, he will emerge as the head of the party and win the primaries. A very private name. And then he will win the election. Again, a surprise figure.
Papa me pacho say percentage, no, the chances say General Mosquito ebe president, any sa private person, no, who rate here, obey the saying percentage.
I've only seen 1% for them. I've just seen through time. Okay. Me share billboards was the conclusion of the election, the declaration of the election, and it was not the EC that declares the election. This one, not the current one that we have.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
It
was not. Yeah. So it was another person that was declaring the election. But then the results that I'm seeing while they were declared, what I'm mentioning to you.
What can say me boom CCR? When they declare election?
Oh, when the time comes, you see.
Or your banner, Bema.
Oh, my dad from him. When there are some things, you know, close boxes. I mean, the amamu.
Okay.
It's Easter eggs. My dad is yo. When I come back, I'll be opening them one after the other.
Because General Mosquito cry and no permit say or can say the men's and then they pending for no, they must go. Waka several times. Say they must go. Enti not say kwa nombeko. But unyan check a year cry or because
I know the exact year. I know the exact year.
Okay.
But I don't want to drag us there.
Okay.
Let's look at the state of the nation.
Okay.
Drag call or no, we are too far into that side. So that one is a box. One day when we come again, due to time, then we go into that one.
And General Mosquito, the presidency, a saying.
It will be very good.
The term of office, no, a saying.
The president of the chiefs.
Wow.
Ahimfu.
Wow.
President.
Wow. That's so benya grassroots for no.
The president of the chiefs was not there Ahimfu no money nam or more clear got more sisi supermarkets or more sisi mark or more baby quite like it will be president that you see always on the road. Now, let me say one thing.
Okay.
I say I'm not campaigning, saying a supporter for Asiedu Nketia.
Okay.
I want everybody to understand that he's not my friend.
Okay.
And Domito say, oh, say no, come on, Asiedu Nketia. I'm telling you, time. If you see the way Mahama's time was up, also me kasati say Mahama yaminya me busheni.
Yeah.
It's not my busheni.
Okay.
But then when it's your time,
Okay.
we the prophets will be attached to you. I am, by the grace of God, anointed to be a master of time in the prophetic hierarchy, like Ezekiel, like Enoch, and all those people. Once I stand in that chain to map time in itself, we'll be able to look at how time is and operate accordingly to achieve the ultimate goal of time.
Okay.
So they will do what God has sent us to do effectively as the Lord lives. And so we don't have any problem. So we are not somebody's camping this thing. We'll stand in that.
I see. Yeah. I see. Wo de nyame aye on say do nipa no time na wakasa. Wakasa nso a.
Entirely so.